Yo, what's up? What up, though? Fix my camera. What's going on? So, look, y'all probably wondering why I got this big ass hat on. Look, man, your boy just got off work. I legit got off work. I'm tired as hell. Probably trying to figure out, like, why I ain't got no, why I ain't been dropping no videos now? What the fuck I got going on? But look, man, I'm coming. Just hold your horses. I'm trying to figure out some ideas, try to get some things going. But look, today, I got something special. And I know I'll be posting little shorts every now and then, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I had my dough or some shit, had to see what the fuck that was going on. But look, it was an easy Sunday night, chilling with the boys and shit. We was chilling. Had to do a little friendly race. Man, when I say I 3K stumped that motherfucker, 3K stumped that motherfucker for sure. Got packaged in today. Let me show you what I got. So, let me show you what I got. See what the boy got. And this clutch. Got this bad boy right here. I ain't gonna lie. This will look real nasty. Hold on. What the hell this is? I don't know. But yeah, man. That's what I got right here. I ain't gonna touch too much of this stuff because I don't want to mess nothing up or dent something up. But yeah, man, that's what I got right here. You know, it look pretty good though. I like the color, I fuck with it. But overall, y'all probably wondering like, all right, man, so why you getting on the clutch? All right, so look, a 3K stumped the last one racing. But I honestly felt like, you know, that clutch shouldn't have went out that damn quick because I think I just got one put in like around in May. So, but I guess I was doing a lot of what we call it nowadays, spirited driving and whatnot. And then that one good race, shit, I stomped that bitch to the moon. That was the end of that. So at the moment, once I get done with this, I'm gonna pack it back up and then hop in the car, drop it off to the shop, and then see when they'll be done with the whip, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to get back in that bad boy. I ain't gonna lie, so just stay tuned. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, I'm about like 4 minutes away from the shop. Let's go drop this clutch off real quick. But yeah, so right now, see, I'm about like 4 minutes away. Still tired as hell. Ready to go to sleep. Still got a couple more errands to run and whatnot. Baby said, all right, they're all abused and dirty. But we finna roll out. Keep it pushing. Just dropped it off, so yeah. So once I get up out of here, my bad for the seatbelt thing. You know, I gotta put the seatbelt on so you can be safe. You gotta be a safe driver. You know what I'm saying? Look, but alright, y'all. So I'm finna get up out of here, head to the. Nah, I gotta go to Walmart. But yeah, once I get to Walmart, have my business, I'm taking my ass to bed. But yeah, but I'm out though. I see y'all in a little bit with something else. Get y'all update.